What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I'm in here for super glue, and I think I just went past it. Super glue gel. Okay, we'll try the super glue gel. I've never seen the super glue gel before, but I'll grab it. One of my other locations had so many super glue options, but this store doesn't have as many options for that. So, hey, I'm just gonna grab what I can. Ooh, look you guys, the Airwick oils are here again. The Fab detergent gel pods, you get 10 in a bag. Those are back. Let's see if we have anything new over here. These are the nail guard sponges. Protect your nails, protect your manicure, your polish. These are so cute. The stackables. We also have these. They're more shallow. This location from time to time has the full-size cereals. I don't know if they do today or not, but I figured I'd take you guys down the food aisle. If they did, they don't anymore. I see a big gap here. It was a hot day today. So let's see what we have over here. Ooh, Helados Mexico. We have strawberry, fresa. We have fresa. This is definitely a first seeing these. We have cocoa and, oh, fresa again. Peanut brownie Snickers. I thought this area was going to be wiped out considering how warm it was today. But it's not. Today definitely would have been a good day for a popsicle. Ooh, look you guys, Snowberry. Snowberry Peace Tea, 0% juice, 150 calories a can. I love their packaging. We also have Razzleberry. We have tea and lemonade. We have mango green tea. We also have just peachy. Sometimes they have the 0-calorie Razzleberry as well. They even stuck some of the Cool Pops in the freezer. I bought some of the Italian ices earlier today. The good thing about these is that if you don't get home right away, these are the ones that normally sit on the shelves. So if they melt, they're just gonna melt in their little container and then you could just refreeze them. They could just melt in the baggie and not make a mess everywhere. If you happen to live far away from stores like I do, then once the weather starts getting warm, that's definitely something I have to think about. Any more new drinks? Besides the Snowberry Peace Tea, I don't think anything else is new over here. I saw the Watermelon Arizona before. We also have the Mucho Mango Arizona. That's usually here. We also have the Arizona Sweet Tea and iced tea with peach flavor. I just love this packaging. It's so pretty. They have the little ones, and look you guys, they have the big ones too. The big ones. And then we also have a mango aloe vera. They're calling it Mango Zero. Do we have anything new over here? Let's see, Love Cooking might be new. I bought some of those little berry containers today, and I hope they're good. You guys know the ones, they're like, you can put the berries in and wash it, and it has like the little handle closure on the side. I got 2 of those today because I am ready for all the berries. These are cute, the little snackies, snack containers. And then we have the little sippables. They're smaller than usual. Look how little they are. They're definitely baby and toddler sized. Aw, they're so cute. And then we have drink pitchers up here. Don't forget to grab the lid. Let's see if we have any new impulse buy stuff. We can look here. The cute little mini fans. So cute. Those are battery operated. The little bracelets, the bag tags. Look at Little Mermaid, so cute. These were in my other location. Aren't they adorable, you guys? I just love them. I totally don't need them though, so I'm not gonna get them, but I think they're really, really cute. I think these are new too. We have a lot of new dog and cat themed stationery up by the impulse buy area. We also have some little smaller paper pads. I saw these last week, aren't they cute? And these are new this week also, the watermelon pouches. Look at these, you guys. These are so cute and little, aw, little coin purses. And yes, we have pink. Pink. We have this sort of rose gold, like pinky color. Oops. We have blue. Those are so cute. This is some of the paper I was telling you guys about. Dog themed, cat themed. Ooh, this is new. A nice little earbuds case. I wonder if we have any other colors. I love that. I have a pink one from Dollar General that I keep my earbuds in. That way I can always find them. Not like finding them was really a problem, but it really is like the perfect little case. A little pom-pom tassel keychain. Don't forget they have super affordable glasses cleaner here, as well as sunglasses and even reader sunglasses if you need those. I wanted to see if they had any more of those cute little earbud cases over here. Earbud with case. What are these? Magical marshmallow twists. Whatever they are, I want to see what's inside. They look so cute. Sophie Pops and Gumdrops. We also have some super cute tie-dye themed phone chargers. We have new earbuds. I really want to see what's in here though. So I opened that little box and it was just those super cute like unicorn horn marshmallows, but I had to see them because the package just looked too cute. These little birthday wands are cute too. I love looking at Dollar Tree's party stuff. All their party decor. I bought some of these and I love them. They're so adorable. I have been looking for those for a really long time. Wow, we have even more treat bags. In a different location, I had found these. And oh, you guys, this location has so many, like everywhere, like so many different super cute treat sacks, all different colors. Even these, wow, these, the clear ones, 40 zipper bags. Okay, let's see if we have anything cute down the toy aisle or the stationery aisle. Mostly pool toys. The Hot Wheels tracks are still here. This location is pretty wiped out on the books, but they do have a lot of activity books. You guys always ask for me to show you what's down the toy aisle. But the last few weeks, it really hasn't been that much. I mean, except for some of the new fashion doll clothes, I really haven't been seeing that many new items. Actually, I wanted to look for some wrapping paper. They have some bright pink wrapping paper that I saw in some of my other stores. That was really, really cute. Ooh, I like the polka dots. Oh my gosh, are these butterflies? Aww. The butterflies are really cute. Maybe I'll get butterflies. We have tropical also. Ooh, I like the dots. This one is really pretty. And then we also have this one. Leaves. Really nice. We have flowers. Dollar Tree has some really, really cute options right now. Hey, I didn't find the pink ones, but I found all of those. Maybe I'll find them over there. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking. This one's cute too. Really cute. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. Thank you for coming along. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Let YouTube know that you like my videos and you like hanging out with me. And hey, if you guys haven't, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Everyone is welcome to join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. I would love to have you guys on board. Also, follow me over on TikTok at Bunny Birdie Gator. I make a lot of fun and short content over there. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.